Hey everyone, I am Abhishek Shukla and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this today video, we'll be explaining about the machine learning concept and data science solution. Today, I'll be explaining an assignment given by my professor Dr. Saligram Prajapal. In this video, we'll be diving about the various concepts like KNN, supervised versus unsupervised learning, find as algorithm, and many more. So let's deep dive into the video and make every concept crystal clear. So now discuss the first question of our assignment. Here is a question which is we explaining the difference between supervised versus unsupervised learning. Also, we have to provide the examples of the algorithm for each type of learning and discuss scenarios where each would be appropriately used. So now we'll be moving towards the solution of this question. So here's the solution of the question. The main difference lies in the type of data used for training and the goal of training for this process. So now, what I have prepared is a table for you for your better understanding. So now let's move towards the screen and see the differences. First, we'll discuss about training data. Under supervised learning, we have labeled data. Example has an input feature and corresponding output label. Whereas in unsupervised learning, we have unlabeled data, only input features are provided, no corresponding output is required. Now, the goal to learn a mapping function from input to output to predict the output for new unseen inputs. Whereas in unsupervised learning, to discover hidden pattern, structure, or grouping within the data. Now, discuss about the output prediction of a value, regression, or a class, that is classification. Whereas in unsupervised learning, we are making clusters, principal component, or associations. Now we'll be discussing about second part of a question, that is the common algorithm used for supervised and unsupervised learning. For classification, we have logistic regression, decision tree, support vectors, machine, also known as SVM, K nearest neighbor, also known as KNN, regression, that is linear regression, rigid regression, and lasso regression. For unsupervised learning, we have clustering, under which we have method k-mean, dbscan, under dimensionality reduction, we have principal component analysis, also known as PCA, TSEN association, TSEN. Under association, we have a priori algorithm. Now, moving towards its example, predicting house based on feature, that is size, location, age, where historical prices are known, comes under supervised learning and its example of regression. Now, grouping distinct customer segments based on purchasing behavior without predefined groups is known as unsupervised learning, also known as is it's an example of clustering. Now, take a scenario where we have different email. We classify them into spam or not spam based on a label, that is on historical data. We'll be classifying them. It's come under supervised learning. Now, we'll be moving towards the next question in our next video. Till then, stay tuned. Goodbye.